Okay, for this one we're using the same scales to construct box plots for the pulse rates of males and females from the accompanying data sets. So let's click the icon here to see the data sets. And there they are. Let's go ahead and open this up in StatCrunch. So we have men's and women's pull right in. Let's go to graph and box plot. I'm going to select both of these. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to change here is I want to actually graph both of these on the same axes. That's probably what they should have done here in the problem. They just didn't do it. So columns per page, we have 2 columns, so we'll do 2 columns per page. And we do want to use the same x-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and flip them around. I forgot to do that. We can go to Edit and draw them horizontally. This is a much clearer picture of whose pulse rates are higher. I don't know why they didn't do that here, but they didn't. So anyway, so here are the women's, and then here are the men's. And now we just have to sort of discern which one we're going to select. So this first one asks for the men's. And so our men's goes from 50 to 90. Let's see if we can eliminate any of these. Yeah, we know it's not A. Looks like this one goes a little beyond the 90. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, and this one goes just a little to the left of 90, so we can eliminate A and B based on that. And now we're going to look at the box itself, it looks like. So let's pull the box itself up. Looks like it goes from, well, we can see right there, it goes from 60 to 74, right? The Q1 is 60, the left edge of the box, and Q3 is the right edge of the box, which is 74. And if I need to make these bigger, I can. So let's look at C. Looks like I'm going from 60 to a little bit more than 75. And now let me look at D. Looks like I'm going from 60 to a little bit less than 75, so it's got to be this one. D. Okay, now let's look at the women's box plot. Okay, so 50's, I can hover my mouse over. So we're going to be going from 57 over to 105. Let's see if we can eliminate any from that. 57 to 105. This one looks a little wonky. D. So we know it's not D. And the other ones looks like they're right on target. So we know it's not D. Uh-oh. So let me hover my mouse over this box again. So let's look at the box. We're going from 70 to 83.5 with a median at 76. So let's blow this up a little bit. So from 70 to 83.5, this one actually looks pretty good. But before I do, let's look at these other ones. I know this is tedious. This is not sort of what real life statistics is about, but it's hard to get them to have you graph these. So this one's a little too low, right? Here it's about 65 or so. So we know it's not B, it's not D. Let's look at C over here. Because it looks like it could be A, but let's see what C has going on. So the min and max look good. Let me just overlay that so we can get a better sense. Again, we're going from 57 minimum over to 105. That looks good. And then the Q1's at 70 to 83.5. Nope, that's where it misses it. Because we go a little bit beyond 85. Boy, that's tedious. That's just the way it is for this one. Again, in practice, you just print this thing out. So we said it was A. Now I'm going to let you compare these and sort of you can reason through those. It's much easier if you look at this box plot than it is if you're looking at them separately. Okay? Hope that helps.